Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Dare Me application. So this app is designed to help users to organize their daily routines or task habits efficiently. So here you just have to open your App Store or Play Store and then search for this application. And then once you're done downloading this application, you just have to click on the Get Started option. Now just click on click on continue, continue, and continue. So just have to read this notes and click on continue after that. Okay. Now just click on maybe later. Then here you just have to type out how old are you. So 18 to 29 years old, and what is your gender. So you just have to select your gender, and how much sleep do you usually get at night. For example, about 6 hours. And then here you just have to click on continue after that. Now, do you have a hard time getting out of bed? So if yes, so just click on it. And how energized do you feel throughout the day? So here you just have to select what is it. So we have tired, and what is your activity level. Okay, so we have here sedentary, and how would you describe your stress level? Okay, so maybe surviving or thriving, it's up to you. And are you satisfied with your present productivity? So somewhat. And then here for the motivation matters, so you just have to read this and click on continue, and let's go and click on continue. Okay, so right here, how often do you typically get distracted during your daily activities? So sometimes. And do you find yourself procrastinating tasks or no? Okay, and here just have to click on great and let's go, and then click on continue. Now, do you feel supported by the people around you? Of course, or sometimes. And what drives you the most towards establishing more positive routines? So you just have to select here achieving my goals, or feeling better, improving my health, or becoming the person I want to be. Now build better habits. Just click on continue, and then here you just have to read this. You can answer yes or no for this one, and then this one as well. So just click on no or yes. Okay, and then they're related to the statement below. So I'm always busy, and here it is now customizing your experience, analyzing the answers, meeting your needs, and generating tasks. Okay, so this application, it offers features such as personalized routines, daily reminders, and progress tracking. It is particularly beneficial for individuals managing ADHD, as it simplifies tasks and provides timely reminders to maintain focus and organization. So if you are a procrastinator, this application will help you. Okay, it will improve productivity. So by organizing your tasks and setting reminders, you can manage your time better and complete your daily goals without feeling overwhelmed. And of course, it will reduce stress and overwhelm. Having a structured routine helps reduce decision fatigue and stress. So instead of constantly thinking about what needs to be done next, you can simply follow your set plan. And of course, it can boost your motivation. Seeing your progress visually can be very encouraging. So the app tracks your achievements and helps you to stay motivated to keep going. And one thing that I like about this app, it supports mental focus. So with the timely reminders and an easy to use interface, the app helps improve focus, especially for people with ADHD, okay, or those who struggle with staying on task, and encourages self-care as well. So aside from productivity, the app can also be used to build self-care, like self-care routines, like medication, gratitude journaling, or taking breaks, and helping you maintain a balanced lifestyle. So there are so many benefits that you can get from this app, so it depends on the help that you need. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.